Welcome all to this sixth and last day of the international webinar on leadership for global peace and education. As we all know that the importance of global peace is being realized by every human heart. That is not only restricted to one nation, but around the globe. The role of leadership and education is crucial in catalyzing this change. Therefore, with this underlying philosophy, 6 days virtual webinar was conceived to have deeper understanding of the role of leadership for global peace and education. To formally start with today's program, let me introduce today's schedule. We have one keynote address by Professor P.K. Dashura sir on leadership for developing human values. It is followed by yet another prominent speaker who is none other than the President of Commonwealth Council for Educational Administration and Management, Professor Paul Miller, then who would throw light and by his address on leadership for social justice, and thereafter with this we'll have the valedictory function. Now I formally welcome amongst us Professor Hemlata Talisra ma'am, the director of this webinar, Professor P.K. Dashura sir, who is also our keynote speaker of today. He is former Vice Chancellor, MPUAT, Kota Agricultural University, Kota University. And we have amongst us Professor Uma Shankar sir. Welcome you sir, he is former Vice Chancellor, MPUAT. And we have with us Professor Nasreen ma'am, who's in the Department of Education from Aligarh Muslim University. To start with the first session, let me introduce to you the coordinator of this session, Professor Nasreen ma'am. Professor Dr. Nasreen is President UCEAM, who is working as Professor of Education in the Department of Education, Aligarh Muslim University. Her thrust area is Curriculum Development and Educational Technology. She wrote 4 books and has edited 1 book. Dr. Nasreen has to her credit 43 articles and research papers that have been published in reputed journals. She published 3 psychological scales. She has attended 20 international and 26 national conferences, 8 workshops, 2 refresher courses, 18 online webinars. Dr. Nasreen has completed UGC research project under the scheme of UGC Research Award 2009 to 2011. She has to her credit 5 PhD students who have completed their research work under her guidance. She has worked as course coordinator of SWAM refresher course entitled ICT in Teacher Education and Environmental Education in Teacher Training Institutes organized by MHRD, New Delhi. Dr. Nasreen has served as in charge of Placement Cell of Department of Education, Aligarh Muslim University since 2012. With this vast expertise, experience and knowledge base, may I now welcome Nasreen ma'am to take over the session and proceed. Welcome Nasreen ma'am, over to you.
Thank you very much.